Hello and welcome to tutorial how to assemble Bilby Junior front seat. Here is the mount instructions in case you lost some of them. You can pause the video and see it. So this bike is pretty old. We will mount first bracket here. Unscrew 2 screws. Make sure that top on the plastic will be on the top. Also make sure that you have a plastics on both sides. Screw the mount. Make sure you screw it
Ready, roll.
After that, we put the metal part through the seat, like this. Unscrew the metal part under the seat. Now put the metal part in 2 holes. Press the bottom so you can put it down there. This little metal part needs to be full down in the mount like this. If you see a click, that is a good sign. Now we need to assemble this little metal part. Roll out seat. Insert the metal part. Now you choose the position, which one is better for you and your bike type. There is 2 positions. When you choose it, screw the metal part back. Now choose the height for a food stand. Put it one part through the hole and second one just press it. And the last part is handlebar. Just press it on the left side and you can fix it like this on the right side. Put the baby inside. Put the belt under the head and secure it. And you are ready to go.